Hey, what's up guys? Today's video is sponsored by Involve Car Perfumes, and today we are doing a drag race between the Tata Harrier and the Jeep Compass. लेकिन एक छोटा सा twist है कहानी में. So the Harrier and the Compass that we have is from the previous generation. और हमें हमेशा से ये डाउट था कि मतलब ऐसा क्या ज़रूरत हो गया कि टाटा ने टाटा हैरियर को एक छोटा सा इंजन अपग्रेड दिया था. In today's video we are about to find out what happened with the Tata and why Tata Harrier got an engine upgrade in the latest 2020 model. So my name is Yash Chaudhary. You're watching Heat 17. Let's get started. Well, wasn't it an amazing drag race once again? So let's get into the heat analysis and find out why and how Harrier and Compass were so competitive and Compass won today's drag race. जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था, today's video is brought to you by the Involve One Car Perfumes. Well, I've been using these products from couple of long time. It's been like month or 3 since I've been using it, और मेरा experience बहुत amazing रहा है. You know, every time I get out of the car, when I come around my people, you know, they keep on asking कि भाई क्या लगा लिया तूने ऐसा? मैंने कि it is just a car perfume that has been absorbed under my clothes. So please try out these products. They are super premium. You can only find out how premium these products are just by smelling it and the longevity that they have. The sillage it creates, I mean, it is absolutely wonderful. You will fall in love with these perfume. At the moment I'm holding the Involve One Musk. You can try citrus, you can try French wood, you can try classic. There are whole range of products. एक सारे अपने बढ़िया से मंगा लो, सबको स्मेल करो और उसको अपनी लाइफ लॉन्ग के लिए यूज करते रहो. सो फटाफट से लिंक जो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है उसके पास जाओ, उस पर क्लिक करो एंड यू नो यूज द कूपन कोड HEAT17 एंड यू विल गेट 10% डिस्काउंट ऑन ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स. भाई मजा आ गया, ये तो होना ही चाहिए. सो लेट्स गेट इनटू द हीट एनालिसिस एंड फाइंड आउट क्या क्या फैक्टर्स थे जीप कंपस के आज ये रेस जीतने के. Well, we all know that the Harrier that we chose was an previous generation model जिसमें 140 bhp की पावर जनरेट होती थी और कंपस यहाँ पे 170 ब्रेक हॉर्स पावर जनरेट करती है. So the power difference of 30 bhp I think helped Compass win today's drag race. And also आप लोगों ने फर्स्ट राउंड में देखा होगा the race was so competitive, but second राउंड में मुझे ऐसा लगा कि while changing the gear there was some struggle and in that moment Compass took off and won the second drag race. Well, जो फर्स्ट वाली drag race थी उसमें the cars were very competitive, बहुत neck and neck race था and even after completing 200 meters Harrier was right on there. I think थोड़ी बहुत देर के लिए आगे भी थी वो Compass से, because the way it put down its power, although they have the same engine, but वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा डायनामिक था और बहुत ही ज़्यादा अग्रेसिव था. बट मुझे लगा कि गियर बॉक्स और थोड़ा सा बेटर हो सकता था. यू नो, दैट स्ट्रगल आई फेल्ट इन द सेकेंड ड्रैग रेस. Also, when you talk about the latest models of Jeep Compass and Tata Harrier, they are beast, they are dynamic, but I think प्राइस रेंज कंपस की इतनी ज़्यादा हाई चली गई है कि हैरियर और कंपस दोनों सेम कैटेगरी की मुझे लगती ही नहीं है. वेयर एज so the king of the mid-size SUV, I think I would still call it the Harrier. Well, to be honest, none of these cars is that one that I like, because they are still a pseudo SUVs. I need an SUV that is capable even off-road, but these are soft road vehicles. I mean, why are we not making those all-wheel drive vehicles? Well, when you talk about an all-wheel drive, you need to shed so much of money to buy a Compass 4x4, whereas when you look at cars like the new Jimny that is about to come, the new XUV that recently has just arrived, it has a decent all-wheel drive system available to its automatic vehicles, whereas the Mahindra Thar, which is a proper off-road vehicle, let's focus towards that also. Tata, I have a small request. I mean, बहुत अच्छी cars हैं, but please include all-wheel drive to your new vehicles. So I'll be waiting for the new Tata Punch, and here is a small glimpse of our next video. Well, that's a pretty big hint what is about to come next week. So फटाफट से subscribe button को press कर दीजिए, and also press the notification bell. We try to come with another video in the next week or every other week. So please do not forget to subscribe, and also follow Heat17_official. We will update you with the all latest news, car and automobile updates, and also very exciting reels. I mean, exciting reels you should check out. We have just made another reel for BMW 340i, 640i, and also Hayabusa, whatnot we have made. So please go there, check out. Thank you so much for watching. I am Yash Shodhi, and you were watching Heat 17, and I'll see you guys in the next one.